What's up, Glam Squad? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jayla Koriyan. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I want you guys to stop right now. If you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you're subscribed. I'm going to have new videos out weekly for you guys, so I'm so excited about that. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. So as you can see, I have new hair in. I'm not a blonde girl. I have never did this color in my life, this platinum blonde color, never. But I feel like a Barbie right now. I feel so pretty, like a Barbie. Why didn't my glams tell me that I look so good in this color? Before we hop into this video on how to tone your 613 blonde bundles, I first want to say where I got my hair from. My hair is from glamtextures.com. The link will be in the description box. Glam Textures has 613 blonde bundles with matching frontals, or you can get a full lace wig. I do have the full lace wig unit on. In addition, if you don't know what toning your 613 bundles means, so when you get blonde bundles, they come in like a yellow tone. Now, some people like that, and then some people want to make their units look a little bit natural, darken the roots, make the blonde color, you know, look good for their skin tone. I think this looks really good on my skin complexion. So that's what you do to your bundles. Now, the reason why someone would buy blonde bundles is because you don't want to lift a black colored hair all the way to platinum. You're going to damage the hair, and you might as well just buy the hair like this. It's less work and yeah, less damage. Your hair will be fluffy, soft, bouncy by just getting this. Also, 613 hair is good for doing light pastel colors, blues, orange, all of those colorful colors, because when you're taking a dark color like black and you're lifting it all the way to like a platinum blonde, sometimes you get like an orange brassy look and you don't get the color payoff you want. So that is why you would get 613 bundles or a 613 full lace wig. Glam Textures is fully stocked, so if you guys are interested in getting 613 blonde hair, we have it. But let's get into this video on how to do this color, how to dye the roots, baby. Let's go. So for my blonde wig, these are the toners that can be used to change your blonde, your platinum blonde, to what color you want as a blonde. You have multiple options. I'm going to be using the light blonde in 8N, 811. And then for the roots, I'm going to go over here and use the 6NW, the dark natural warm blonde. And that's how we're going to tone. Like I said, if you want a frosty look, I want more so calm down blonde. So that's what we're going for. Alright guys, let's get started into this hair color. Here's a little tip. As you can see, my canvas head is a little messed up. We're going to be putting a plastic bag over the canvas head so the dye doesn't seep through and mess up my canvas head anymore. Just a little tip if you're using a canvas head as well. Another tip is that you can use Got To Be freeze spray on your lace. This is going to prevent the color from transferring onto the lace and messing up your lace. Still want to be careful, but this is helping it not, you know, mess up your lace, girl. We're going to start by dyeing the roots of this hair with the 6NW. Now, the hardest part about this is just to be a little bit careful with not like having a heavy hand and putting this on the lace, and literally just putting it on the roots. You're literally going to have to go in between each row, putting this on the roots. If you just want a middle part, you don't have to do all over, or the back. This is a full lace wig, so we did not do the back of the wig, but if you want braids or something like that, you're literally going to have to go through the entire wig and darken the roots. But that's okay, because if you want that perfect style, it doesn't matter. Now, when you first apply this, it's going to go on yellow, and you're going to think, oh, this, I could possibly never mess this up. You know, I don't have to be that neat. You are wrong, because this turns to brown, like a dark brown. And although it looks dark brown, it won't look dark brown when we finish. But as it processes, this is what it looks like. So you still want to be neat. You don't want to be too messy with doing this. You know, take your time, play some music. Don't rush this. Now once you're done with the perimeter of the hair and the roots, you're going to go ahead and dye the actual hair. Now if you like the color of this wig, like that yellow color, you can just dye your roots and rock it like that. But I wanted this color, this yellow, to be toned down. I just wanted, you know, I want it to be a little bit different. So we're using the 8N 811 on these extensions and just going to put it all through the hair. This is the easy part. You basically just put in the color all over the hair, and you're going to make sure that you're blending the color into the roots, so it's not like this harsh line of demarcation. Like, you know, just massage it through. But this is how it looks at the end with color on it.
So again, I like to blend it together so it doesn't be harsh. Usually I could just use it with my gloves and just smush it together, but when you do that, it just transitions easy rather than being harsh from one color to another. Look at that dimension. Do you see those colors? Oh, wow.
Why look gray?
It's not good. Remember how the other one, well, I don't know if you saw it, but when I was rinsing it, it looked gray, but when it dried, it wasn't gray.
This shit look...
Let it dry. Let it dry.
So I'm the person, when my hair is getting colored, I'm like, is it doing good? Is it perfect? Is it gonna come out right? Oh, it looks silver. Oh, it's not gonna be the color that I want. But guys, trust the process. As you can see, with this hair being blow dried, it is 100% not silver. It is an ash blonde, but not silver. I was like panicking, like, oh my god, my hair is gonna be silver. I don't want silver. But as you see, super pretty color. I love the roots. This blonde looks a little bit more natural. So you're going to go through the steps of tweezing, customizing the hairline. Now this hair didn't have to be customized that much because the hairline isn't like thick and bulky. But you know, tweeze it a little bit. And then this hair is going to be flatter down. It's going to be flatter now after this tweezing. But make sure you tweeze, 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 tweeze. Okay? Another tip to get flat hair is to use a hot comb on the roots of your hair. So as you can see, we're like making the hair flat. So after this, we're going to move into installing this on my head. If you guys want another updated detailed video on how to install my full lace wigs, just let me know. But this, I'm basically putting a little bit of my foundation on the lace, and I'm going to plop it on my head. And we're just seeing the fit, you know, how it looks. You gotta make sure like everything's good before we put it on. So this is how it looks. So guys, this is close up on my hair, the roots, how it looks. This is a glueless full lace wig, so I don't have this. This is just like with the elastic band on the back. This is the color. It's like a light ash blonde. So really pretty. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? So this is the back of my hair. This is a 22-inch unit cut to 20 inches. So this is what 20 inches looks like on me. Now, I don't actually care to have like super long hair, but I'm about 5'4", and this is where like 20 inches hits me. So pretty long. Yeah, I think this is decent. This is like a natural look. Now when you get to like 24, 26, 30 inch, honey, okay, long, okay, it's hitting you long. So guys, those are all the steps I took to achieve this color. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and your bundles turn out bomb. And I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure that if you purchase Glam Textures hair, you tag us on Instagram, and yeah, because we want to repost you guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. And bitch, I just gotta let you know that this is a glueless unit, okay? Glueless. Okay, there's no glue. You don't need the glue. So the glue messes up your hairline and stuff, and we just don't want to mess with it when it can be glueless. And if you don't believe me, if you don't believe my hair is flawless like this and glueless, just dun dun dun. Oh, otherwise, you know, it's and then we just flop it on back. Flop it on back. You know, this is how you change out your wigs. So make sure you go to glamtextures.com. We have Brazilian body wave, we have straight, we have 613 blonde, we have deep wave, curly, whatever you want. It's like purchase, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Officially bye, because I said bye, but I'm saying bye now. So like bye bye.